Persona prompting versus funnel prompting. Which of these prompt technique would be the best for your thesis writing using AI in this current age? No matter you use ChatGPT, Perplexity or any other AI tools. These are the two well-known techniques, and let's find out which of these two would be the winner today. If you don't know either of these techniques, then you are not doing it right at all. Before we continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment down there what kind of prompting techniques you've been using all this while. Okay, so now let's start. A. Funnel prompting. Step number 1. In ChatGPT, like this, you start the funnel by asking a question on what it knows about your interest, like this. This is a very good example that you can see. And from this example, you want to write a problem statement for PhD now. So, as you can see now, it may provide a problem statement for various level of studies. You can look at all the results here. Now, step number 2. If you need it for bachelor's or PhD, then prompt it differently. Okay, you can look at here. Example, here we ask the difference between bachelor and PhD level problem statement. So basically what I'm doing here is I am bringing the AI down a funnel. Okay, a funnel step by step, because the understanding is very, very broad when it comes to AI. The fellow knows so many different things, right? So I want to make sure that the fellow is focused into what exactly I want. So I take from a very broad question, then I talk about problem statement, then I go into the level of study, then slowly I will go down through the details. Now, step number 3. Once it understood the differences between PhD and bachelor level, which I believe it really won't, I don't think it has that ability yet, okay? As per what Demis Hassabis already mentioned, okay, you guys can go and read this article, very, very good article. AI still don't understand context and doesn't have the capability of reasoning, okay? If you don't have that both, you won't even know the difference between a bachelor's and a PhD and a master's. You won't know the difference, okay? Even us, imagine you don't understand I cannot understand the difference between bachelor. I cannot understand the difference between PhD. I don't know what is master's. Anyway, we follow the process. Now, we prompt for it, the AI, to create a PhD level problem statement in the area of entrepreneurship and strategy for small, medium enterprises, SME. This is part of the thinking model. It is supposed to be the most advanced AI model in the world. As you can see, it's not lengthy enough. It's too simple. For bachelor level, I think okay lah. It's acceptable. But for a PhD level, I don't think so. Alright, because PhD you are explaining out of literature a very, very, very detailed problem statement that you want to convince the world that you are the first one to do it. Right? That's very, very important when it comes to PhD. And also lack of strong justification. Lack of strong justification. Remember that phrase. Without justification, you can never get your PhD. And to be honest, too significantly simple for PhD level. Now, whatever mentioned in the first paragraph as part of the research gap on entrepreneurial process and international SMEs, just look at this Google Scholar search here. Okay, these are the keywords I've used. Look at the second paper. It had completed that entire work, done, already published. This is what AI do. It just recycles and recycles and recycles and recycles. It cannot think on its own for a new solid answer. It can aggregate information. Okay, it's a very good aggregator. Now, the question comes, can persona prompting write a problem statement or research gap for PhD level or not? A bit unique idea. Can or not persona prompting? What do you guys think? Novel problem statement or fake problem statement? Persona prompting is about personifying your AI into a real thinking individual. Okay, so all this while you are thinking AI is some computer somewhere, right? Persona prompting will sort of let the AI imagine itself as a real being, as an actual being. So let's find out. If you look at my prompt here, I have asked the AI to be a professor. Saw that or not? Professor, 30 years of experience with publication, and then create a PhD level problem statement about entrepreneurship and strategy. Exactly the same topic, exactly the same. We do apple to apple comparison. So what happens? What is the outcome? So this is the outcome. Look at that. Alright, if we scroll through this entire outcome, it is definitely slightly lengthier. The citations are quite old. I can understand, I can see that it's quite old. Because when we mention Scopus and Web of Science publication, it can't access those databases. So it can only provide very old index journals that can be found on ResearchGate or some third-party websites, not through Scopus or Web of Science, because it's behind paywall. Nonetheless, let's compare the gap given by persona prompting and funnel prompting. Let's compare and find out. First paragraph here spoke about how and under what conditions entrepreneurial strategies generated international advantage for SMEs. While funnel prompting said the exact same thing as well. The exact same thing. No difference. It explained how and under what conditions, instead of the keyword strategy, it used conditions. That's it. Exactly the same outcome. Instead of international advantage in persona, okay, persona used international advantage, right? Funnel used international strategies. Same stuff written differently. That's it. Alright. For second paragraph, if you look at the second paragraph, if we compare side by side again, funnel prompting went straight into the gap. Alright, straight, right into it. However, persona speaks about entrepreneurial orientation and dynamic capabilities in international SMEs. Yes, dynamic capabilities in international SMEs. Sounds very familiar, right? Sounds familiar or not? Familiar or not? Did you hear that word somewhere? Dynamic capabilities, international SMEs. We have heard of it somewhere. It's supposed to come. Yes, it is existing. Remember, the Google Scholar, it ripped from the same paper shown in Google Scholar earlier. See there. See, look at that title. Dynamic Capabilities, Entrepreneurial Orientation. My questions to all of you, I want all of you to answer it down here. All this comment, keep commenting, keep it coming, okay? Because we're going to share knowledge here. Number one, why do you guys think that it cannot come up with a novel research gap? Why? Why not? Number two, why despite different prompting techniques, all this different structural of questioning, seemingly the outcome also citing different literature between both prompting outcome, you can see different literature, but the research gap goes back to the same old gap, same. Record your opinions before I give my answers here. Record right here. Record. Write down your answers. Write it. Please comment down here. Okay, done. Okay. Let me give you my answers. Number one, because AI don't have the reasoning and contextual understanding capability. It doesn't have. It is merely finding the most suitable answer that it thinks will fit your question. That means very simple. If this is AI, right here, this is your input. Okay, this is your input token. Then it goes in and finds out all the related information based on your input token. It doesn't sit down, drink a cup of coffee, think of a new idea as how everyone is claiming. No, it's not like that. We are not in AGI yet. We are not in super intelligence yet. We are still in narrow artificial intelligence. It's called NAI. We are not in AGI or we are not in ASI yet. Right? It takes about, according to Google, Gemini and Google DeepMind founder, right here, this guy, Nobel Award winner, he says it takes about, if I'm not mistaken, 5 to 10 years to get there. So whatever these other AI companies are selling it to you, it's all not true. Don't get cheated. Okay? Now, number two, prompting might look like generating different outcomes. This is what everyone says. If your AI doesn't give a good answer, you prompt it wrongly. There is no such thing. Look at these two different prompting. The most recommended technique, still the same garbage. Alright, still the same garbage, literally. For PhD level, this is garbage. We are coming to an end. As a conclusion, you see the recent Hong Kong University scenario? Apart from what I've shared, this is the recent scenario. Hong Kong University. Alright, Hong Kong University. Number one university in Asia. Look at the student's fate. She published fake information. Got exposed. She, her supervisor and her co-author all got exposed publicly. This is so humiliating. Don't simply believe what influencers are saying just for the sake of money. Tell the truth, guys. Tell the truth. AI is really not there yet to create a genuinely new idea or literature review for you. It's just going to screw up big time. Please do your own work yourself. Otherwise, you're going to really suffer in this coming 3 years' time or maybe more than that. Alright, so wish you guys all the best. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and start thinking on your own. Good luck.